It is super cold out here this morning in Arizona, but how can you not love that? Beautiful. Good morning, everyone.
On a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Gorgeous day here in Arizona. Super cold though. I got up this morning about 3:30 and I've been in there working on some stuff and got a post over there on the community tab on the channel showing you guys a little group event that we had. Just dinner over at our place. I don't know if the sun is right in your guys' eyes. Anyways, this morning I had a comment from a viewer, and actually I'm not sure if it was just hearts or whatever, but I wanted to go check out the channel. For some reason it just caught my eye, and the first video that I came onto, the gal was talking about how she had been working out, but then she stopped and she didn't really know why, and trying to figure out why she wasn't all motivated to go work out like she used to. I thought, gosh, that's exactly what kind of happens to me, when we're on the road by ourselves. Scotty and I do pretty well. We eat really well, and we hike a lot. We climbed a lot of stairs this last season, as you guys know. But anyways, I watched that video, and at the end she was saying, get up and take a walk. Hope that motivates you a little bit, The channel that I was watching is Traveling with Charity, so go check her out. I did that kind of quick. I don't have Pumpkin with me because when I'm walking by myself, I tend to walk pretty fast, and it's really cold out here this morning, so I left her in with Scott. When we get back with our group, there's a lot of eating that goes on, and I'm partially to blame for that because I like to make things to, share. And we do a lot more eating out. Anyways, I'm to blame too about making foods and stuff, but Dave and I, we like the same sweets, and I think as much as I love him, we're not very good for each other when it comes to that. Dave lost a lot of weight this last year too, and it's kind of hard because we both like same kind of candy, same kind of desserts. I love you, Dave. No, I'm not harassing you. It's just I gotta think better when I'm having something, maybe have a little less. Not going to torture myself, but before I had pretty much cut out all sugars, and desserts are just filled with sugars, so I got to be a little bit more wiser. But anyways, that video that I watched of over there on Traveling with Charity, and she said, that she wasn't really motivated to get up and do anything for a little bit. I thought, that's kind of my thing too. I like to walk in the morning. Our whole group likes to walk at nighttime. I'm a morning person, obviously. I get up super early. That's when I do most everything. That's when I'm the most motivated. And when I was living in a house, I used to work out every single day. I'd go down to the gym. I had a personal trainer. Isn't this gorgeous out here? I love how the sun is hitting all the grass. It's really pretty. I had a personal trainer, and I'd go down and I'd be at the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning. Then when I got done doing my training, I would go home and I would walk a mile on my treadmill. So I was pretty fit. And then I had an accident where I fell down a flight of steps. I was at a friend's house and we were upstairs looking at her new decor in her bedroom. And I turned around and I just went right off the end of the stairs. And so that was kind of the end of my working out. I was in a lot of pain. That's where my hip injury came from. So I stopped kind of working out like that. And you guys know probably if you've got, an old injury, the older you get, the harder it gets to kind of move. But that video this morning just kind of made me think a little bit, eating a little too much, gaining a little bit of weight back, not feeling really comfortable. So I'm going to be a little bit more selective about what I'm eating again. Anyways, all right, that's kind of why I'm out here here walking, I'm gonna try to follow, I believe her name's Kathy. I hope I'm not wrong about that. I'm gonna follow in her footsteps and get back out here and start trying to walk every morning. So if you need a little motivation, get up and go out there and get walking. I think talking with you guys, I think I've walked a long ways, and I realized I just came down a really big hill. I'm gonna turn around. We are leaving today, or no, today's Halloween. We're going to be packing up the rest of our stuff. We might be going out for Halloween tonight down to the Grand Canyon restaurant down there. They've got a little event going on, or we might choose to stay home. I'm not really sure. There's another storm coming in, high winds on Tuesday and snow on Thursday, so we're gonna get out of here before that hits again because we're going through a lot of propane out here, and it's just time to head on. Whew, this is good for the cardio. So I'll show you guys probably some photos of whatever we do tonight if we do it. That's a hill. You don't realize when you're talking and not really paying attention. I didn't realize I came down that hill like that. Oh, that's good. You guys keep me focused and I don't realize that I've walked too far. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down. I gotta walk way back over there. The only thing that scares me out here, I feel like I keep hearing something on the back side of me. There are coyotes out here, but nobody's ever had a problem with them. But next time I need to bring my little can of spray. So I'm gonna try to start getting up in the morning and walking like I used to do. Whew. All right, guys. I'll see you back at camp. Okay, Scotty's out here working on the little garden area. So we're not going to put a huge fence up. We're just going to surround this. Scotty's got a couple pallets that Aja had left over. They're a little beat up, but that's okay. It still will serve the purpose. So there's going to be 3 back here, and then we have chicken wire to go around the rest of it. They went out and got these posts out of the forest the other day. Aja has a permit to get down trees, burnt trees. So that's going to come in handy out here. It's going to look nice. We just want to get something for the winter time while we're not here so that it's nice and secure. Don't have animals getting in there.
Just butt it right in the post right there. Just right on the edge. Yeah, just
do a little square, yeah.
Yeah, just kind of do that.
Tweaking.
12 feet. Okay.
Imaginary butt, about 2 inches off.
Yep, exactly 2 inches off.
We have the
So we need to come over this way, right here. That's the hole there.
Okay.
The post. Oh yeah. I think we're square enough now.
That was a big yawn.
I'm tired.
You look exhausted.
I have been packing for the last 2 days. It's amazing what a little over a month of sitting in one place, how you bring a little more things out and get more things. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we're beat. So Scotty was able to get this all finished with a couple of our us helping. We went ahead and I put some rocks just around the base of the chicken wire. There is no door here. We just have this up for temporary until we come back this next spring. We just want to keep things out of there the best we can. Ed's going to keep an eye on it as well. So that project's completed. Let's go. Come on. We're going to go this way. We've got a few things left to get put away. We've got our bikes put away. Scotty tried to wash the truck today, but he decided that he's going to go ahead and wait till we get to an actual car wash. There is a lot of mud on that thing. Come on, Punk. We gotta go. We got more things to do. Come on. Scotty just went over and filled up Ellie's airbags for her. And let's see what else. Oh, and checked her tires. We bought her airbags last year, and unfortunately, I don't know what happened. They may have filled one up too much, and it popped. So hopefully the warranty will fix that. And Aja's over here finishing up. They're on the other side over there. She's getting her stuff put away. I have just a few things that are laying around that need to go put away. This goes up in a top cabinet, so all this stuff does. It's just been a long day. And this was my costume for tonight. For Halloween, we were going to try to go out and go down to the little restaurant bar area. They had some stuff going on. That's gonna have to wait. What is it, Punk? That's gonna have to wait till next year. We're just all too pooped to go out and do any kind of Halloween celebration. So that makes Scotty really happy because he didn't really want to go out tonight.
No.
He's sitting here trying to get caught up on comments. I gotta get the tomatoes packed away. I have a tray right here. I'm just gonna put those tomatoes in that. And Scotty will get his ice maker put away. And we just have a few little things. So probably just another half hour in here and then we'll be good. And then just, you've got to do one thing. You got to check up.
I did that already.
You knew what
no birds up there.
So on our pullout, we have on this back side, on both of our pullouts, or slide outs, I'm sorry, we have awnings that go out with it. If you are parked for a long period of time, sometimes not even a long period of time, birds like to get up in here and they like to nest. Aja had one try to nest in her rig a few years ago. So you always got to check those things. Anyways, say goodnight to your peoples. Tell them we'll see you another day.
We'll see you another day, yeah.
We will most likely see you in either Kingman or Havasu.
That's right.
Somewhere. And we are leaving at, Aja said 8 o'clock tomorrow. So
8 o'clock?
Well, the winds are kicking up at 10.
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'll be ready.
High winds.
Put air in the bags.
All right. Night, people. We love you.
Peace out.
Happy Halloween if you celebrate it. If not, have a wonderful night
Boo!
or day.